Guys, Danielle here with Rollout Savings. We have 47 deals for you to do this Saturday at Dollar General. This starts Saturday, July 6th. Remember, we have our cheat sheet that will be on the website. We will also post that on the community tab here on YouTube. Let's get into our deals. Up first, for $14.80, this is a repeat deal. You can get your Doritos, your Gatorade, your Aquafina, and your Pepsi for $14.80. This is a deal that has coupons that you may or may not have used yet. If you did not use them, you can do them again. This deal is a carryover from the deals we put out Monday for $19.95. You get your burgers, your beans, your plates. You're also getting the buns and some body armor for $19.95. For $18.15, you get your waffles, your pancakes, your plates, your I can't believe it's not butter, some cups, and some milk. Again, that's $18.15. On this one, you can get 3 Dr. Pepper and the Kingsford charcoal that you see there for $16. And some of these deals you'll probably remember from Monday that we had put out that you could do on the special coupon that we had there for the 5 off 25. For this one, you're going to get your Dr. Pepper, your chips, and your charcoal for $17.80. On this one, you're going to get 3 of the Pepsi, an advanced warmer, and a charcoal for $10. For $15.95, you're going to get your cups, your plates, your Doritos, your charcoal, your Hellmann's, and some elbow macaroni. On this deal here, for $13.20, you're going to get your Doritos, your cereal, your elbow macaroni, your Hellmann's, and some Gatorade. And as always, make sure you're scanning the items to make sure the coupons are attaching for you. We have a pet deal here. You're going to get your dog food, the Nutrish. You're also going to get one of the Nutrish trays and an advanced warmer for $14.95. This next one is for your cats for $12.25. You can get 10 of the 9 Lives wet food, the oil refills, the warmer, and a Temptations treats, plus some cat litter for $12.25. We're going to move into personal care. This is a repeat deal here. You're going to get your After Sun from Banana Boat. You're going to get your OGX shampoo and conditioner and the Venus 4-count disposable razors for $11. On this next deal, for $9.15, you're going to get your Skintimate razor, your charcoal toothbrush, your Optic White from Colgate, and 2 Axe deodorant. Again, that's $9.15. This next one is also a repeat deal. For $12.45, you can get 2 Pantene and 2 Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. You're also going to get a Colgate Slim toothbrush for $12.45. This is also a repeat deal. You're going to get the Skintimate razor, the 2 Pantene, the charcoal toothbrush, and the Optic White toothpaste for $10.35. This one is $11. You can get the 2 Fructis, the 2 Whole Blends, and the Skintimate razor. For this deal here, $13.85, you're going to get 2 U by Kotex liners, always liners or pads, and 2 of the Tampax Pearl. As long as your coupon's attached, you can mix and match to what you need on those 2 items. For $11.50, you're going to get 2 Dove, and you're also going to get the OGX, the Dove is the body wash, for $11.50. You can get 2 Irish Springs, a Palmolive, the Colgate toothbrushes, the Colgate Optic White, a degree deodorant, and some Band-Aids for $11.75. This one for $12, you can get the Schick Extreme 3 razors, the Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner, plus the Fructis shampoo and conditioner, and that will be $12. We're going to grab the Dove Men's Care body wash and deodorant spray, plus 2 of the Axe body wash there, and that's going to be $8.25. For this one, for $11.60, you're going to get some Ajax, some Glide Floss, the Colgate toothbrush, Colgate Optic White, and the Venus razor that you see pictured here. And again, that's $11.60. This deal here is $13. You're going to get your Kingsford charcoal, the Banana Boat Kids, the Copper Tone spray, and you're also going to get the Stem DEET-free bug spray. On this one, you're going to get your Scott Comfort Plus, the Palmolive, the Advanced Warmer, 2 Dove Men Care body wash, and 2 soft soap body wash, plus that Colgate toothbrush. And you'll notice some of these do have instant savings, so make sure you check out the written version of these. You're going to grab 2 Dove Men Care. You're going to get the Airwick, the Suavitel, the Colgate toothbrush, and the Colgate toothpaste for $13.25. This next deal that is coming up right here is a baby deal for $18.50. You're going to get your Pampers wipes, the Gerber Puffs, and some Gerber baby food. Again, $18.50, but you will get cash back on this one, so make sure you have that clipped first. On this one for $33.50, you're going to get 4 of the Easy Ups. You're going to use the coupons you see there. And I know that's a high total, but you're going to get back $10 with the 1001 for your P&G coupon. We have for $13.95 your Gain, your Febreze Fabric, and your Dawn Power Wash. And on the Gain coupons, make sure you check, because scent does matter on the Gain coupons. For $14.50, you're going to get your Dixie plates, your Hefty cups, and some charcoal. For $15, you're going to get 6 of the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper, plus an advanced warmer. And this one, again, you have $3 instant savings on that Scott, so make sure you account for that. For $15, you're going to get the Bounty paper towels, the Dawn Power Wash, and 2 of the Dove Men Care Plus body wash. For $7.75, you're going to grab your Arm & Hammer, your Lysol laundry, your Airwick oil 2-pack refills, and an advanced warmer. For $11.40, you're going to get the 2 different size Persil, plus the Persil packs, and an advanced warmer. On this Persil deal, you're going to get 4 of the Persil packs plus an advanced warmer, and pay just $13.80. For this deal, it's a Gain deal. Make sure all your items are Gain scent. You're going to get your Gain liquid, the beads, the flings, the Swiffer wipes, that's the heavy duty pads, and 2 of the Easy Squeeze. For $20.25, you're going to get your flings, 2 different sizes there, your beads, and your softener. Again, with Gain, always make sure you scan to make sure they're attaching to your coupons. We have 4 Scott Comfort Plus the Gain detergent that you see here, and that's going to be $18.95. On this next deal coming up, you're going to pay $12.65. You're going to get your Gain liquid, that's the large size, the Gain sheets, and an Airwick 2-pack. And that one, it's not a 5 off 25 with the 5 off 30, just so you know. On this one, you're going to pay $15.85 and you're going to get your Gain. That is 2 different sizes that you see here. We're going to grab 4 Scott Comfort Plus the Tide packs and the Airwick 2-pack oil refill for for $17.15. On this deal here, you're going to get your Tide Pods, your Snuggle Scent Boosters, your Purex Crystals, and the Snuggle Sheets. Now you're going to get 2 of each of those, as you've noticed, except for your Tide, you're going to get 1 of those, and that's $20.40. You're going to get your Tide Pods, your Downy Liquid, your Downy Sheets, and a 2-pack of the Airwick oil refills for $13.15. For $16.80, you're going to get your Tide, you're going to get your Downy Liquid, your Downy Sheets, and your Downy Beads. And that's $16.80. This next Tide deal that's coming up is $11.15. You're going to get your Tide Pods, you're going to get an advanced warmer, and the 2-pack of the oil refills for $11.15. For $10.90, you're going to get your Tide Pods, your Tide with Downy, and an advanced warmer for $10.90 on that one. For $13.80, you're going to get your Tide, your Downy Rinse, the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, and the Lysol Air. Again, that's $13.80. We have more Persil. You're going to get your 2 different sizes of the Persil liquid, your Snuggle Softener, your Snuggle Beads, and a Clorox cleaning spray for $14.44. For $12.70, you're going to get your Swiffer, your Colgate toothpaste, 2 Colgate charcoal toothbrushes, and 2 different sizes of the Palmolive dish liquid. Again, $12.70. And that's all we have for deals for you. I hope you enjoyed these deals. Don't let anybody call you cheap. You are thrifty. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment, and make sure you guys have a happy and safe 4th of July celebration. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with your next big deal. Bye, guys.